Welcome. This snippet video is just to show some of the power and expressiveness you can get through Python. The concepts and tools from Python I'll be using in this video are right-to-left evaluation, list comprehensions, string split, string partition, and the subprocess library. Links to the videos explaining these concepts will be in the description below. The problem I'm looking to solve tonight is, it's the end of a long day and my eyes are tired, but I want to keep on reading. On Mac, there is a text-to-speech tool called Say, which reads text in a manner reminiscent of the sonorous tones of Stephen Hawking's voice synthesizer. Linux has a text-to-speech engine as well called Festival, and Windows has PTTS. What I'm reading tonight is Mastering PyCharm from training.talkpython.fm. I'm only halfway through it, but it's been well worth the time spent in those exercises. Links are in the description for that as well. Normally, I would just pop up a terminal and type say, and then copy paste it into the window. There's another way that you can do it. You can set a hotkey for the say command, but the transcript needs some time markers removed at the very beginning of each line. So if I told it to say this, it would be harder to follow because it would say every one of those numbers. So I'm going to dump it into a Python console and just put data is equal to, I have a triple quoted string. Oh yeah, I need to copy all of this. And I need to make, let's take a look at data. All right, so inside data, I have the time code and I have this /x_a0. This is a non-breaking space in a Latin character set, so I need to remove all of that. I'm going to use the non-breaking space to help me get rid of it. Read this is equal to line.partition. All right, here's where I'm going to put that x_a0. Line and data.split. Let's finish out. Make sure to break up the end markers for that. All right, so now I've got my data. Take a look at it on the right side. I've got a variable for read this. Let's see. Let's go ahead and read it. Import subprocess as sp. sp.call. If you want the subprocess library to, if you want to send it a command to run it in bash or whatever your shell environment is, then just type it as a list of strings to be read. .join read this.
Let's review the core server-side concepts that we saw for creating Python full-stack web apps with PyCharm. We start by saying create new project, and we have a couple of options. We've got Django.
I'm going to go ahead and break out of that, but that's how it's done. So because the list comprehensions are awesome, the code is short. So what are your favorite snippets of code that have helped you with productivity or enriched your life in some way? Let us know in the comments below, and if you want more of these videos, hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks, and I hope this helps you.